Welcome to the Carson-Newman University's Getting Started with Canvas video series. In this video, you will see how to log into Canvas and set up your account. From the Carson-Newman Internet homepage, using either Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or the Firefox browsers, you'll select the See on Canvas link. Make sure you're not using Internet Explorer, and sometimes Safari doesn't work so well. You're presented then with the single sign-on page. If you've already logged into your email or MyConnect, you're already familiar with this. You'll put in your complete email address and your email password. When you log into Canvas, you're presented with the Canvas browser interface that has three sections. The left section is the global navigation that you'll see wherever you are in Canvas. The dashboard is your Canvas homepage where you'll access your current active courses. And on the right-hand side of most places in Canvas, you'll see a sidebar that gives you to-do information, feedback, and access here to your grades. To get your Canvas account set up, we're going to go back over to the global navigation and we'll select account. Now we see that Carson-Newman has already put up his profile picture, and we do ask that all of our students and our instructors put in a profile picture. It's pretty easy to do. We're going to come down here and select profile, and if I hover over the circle, now yours is going to have a blank silhouetted image in it. You would do the same thing. You're going to hover over the circle and select the pencil. You can either upload a picture, or if you have access to a web camera, you can take a picture. You have other contact and biographical information that you can change by editing your profile. Next, you're going to want to look at your settings. You'll notice that Carson D. Newman, or your name, is going to come in here as it's shown on our official student information database. However, you may be accustomed to being called something different than your official name. Many people like to use their middle name. So Carson wants to use his middle name, so we want to change his display name so that people seeing in discussions, messages, and comments will see his middle name. And we're going to do that by selecting Edit Settings, and we just make the change here. You should leave your full name exactly the way it is so that your instructor, when he or she is going down through their roster, can compare this with the official grading system of MyCN Connect. The other field that you may want to change before you update your settings is your time zone. If you're an online student accessing in a different time zone, you'll want to change that here. And we'll go ahead and select Update the Settings. And now people will see this as Carson's display name. On the right-hand side of this screen, you'll notice that any notifications coming from Canvas or your Canvas inbox will be sent to your Canvas or your Carson-Newman email. You can add a different email address here if you'd like for your notifications to go to. You also have the option of setting up more contact methods. So perhaps you have a cell phone that you'd like a text message when you have Canvas notifications. You can register that here. When you download the Carson-Newman Student Canvas app for your phone or other mobile device, you'll see that you also have a contact method of push notifications for those devices. And last, let's look at setting up your notifications. You may not want to have a text message, an email message, or a push notification to your app for every little thing that happens in Canvas. So you'll want to go down through here and see the different activities that you may get a notification for. The one that's very important that you have set correctly are your conversations. Conversations are your Canvas inbox, and that's how your instructor and fellow course mates are going to contact you, and you'll want to know that that's happening. So you have the option of either immediate notification, daily summary notification, maybe you're only checking once a day. You probably do not want a weekly summary. If somebody's messaging you, you're going to want to know that right away. But please do not turn those off. I'm going to leave Carson's at immediate. And that being said, I'm going to take you back up to the top and show you that right now Carson only has his email set up. If he had his text messaging or had an app on his mobile device, there would be 2 more columns here, or 1 or 2 more columns here. And when you make these changes, I'm going to change this to a notify immediately. There is no save on this page. It happens automatically. It's a toggle switch. That's an introduction to getting started with Canvas and your account settings. Follow us in the next video when we talk about Canvas courses.